These are the Edifier W82ONB noise cancelling headphones. They're under £100 here in the UK. Are they any good? We're going to test them out in this video. We've got a really ingenious way on how to test these, and I'll explain that to you before we get into the details of these headphones. We look at them a little bit closer, but we're going to test them out so you can actually hear what they sound like. At the back there, I've got some aeroplane ambient noise set at 80 decibels, which is about the ambient noise if you're in a plane cruising altitude, and a bit of noise in the background, bongs and stuff, so you can hear. I'll play that for you in just a second. If you're traveling with headphones, that's the sort of situation you'd wear headphones, maybe on a train, on a bus, but we're going to do the aeroplane test. Here I've got these binaural headphones from Sennheiser. Now these are 3D audio headphones basically. I'm going to put these in my ears, and then they've got speakers on the outside, so you'll be able to hear what I hear, and that will give you a good sense of how these perform and what they are like, and if they're worth that £90 price tag in the UK. I'll record that audio for you. So what we're going to do is play that. I'll put these in, I'll press record, we'll put the headphones on, and we'll test out the different modes, the noise cancellation and the audio, and we'll test out to see what they sound like. Let's do it. Ambient noise of the aeroplane behind us then, so that's playing there. We'll switch over to the iPhone recording now. So you should be able to hear now what I'm hearing over here. Clicking left, sort of a 3D audio sound, and then we're going to put the Edifier W82ONB noise cancelling headphones on, and you can hear what I hear.
Noise reduction on. Noise reduction off. Ambient sound. Noise reduction on.
Okay, so let's test out the audio so you can listen to what the actual audio sounds like. So we'll put these back on. Let's just make sure we're recording. Over here we are. Back on. Let's play some music. Listen to the audio.
Wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Can't tell yours if you want it. Breathe that right, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Can't tell yours if you want it.
Okay, I'm impressed. For the price, that is pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with the sound. The bass is deep, extremely good. They've got a titanium diaphragm in there, which helps with the audio quality, and like I said, for the price, very good audio quality. We've got one more test to do. We'll test the microphone on OBS actually to see what it actually sounds like through an audio call. Let's do that. This is the audio you're going to hear from the headphones, the microphone built into the headphones. If you're making a phone call, this is what the person on the other end of the line is going to hear, or if you're playing games online using these headphones, they are going to hear this. You can connect it to anything that's got a Bluetooth device. So like, I'm presuming they're going to work with the Xbox, PlayStation. I've connected them to the Mac to record this, PC, whatever you've got is going to connect to. What does it sound like? Let me know in the comments down below what you think, if it's good enough for phone calls, if it's good enough for gaming. Let me know in the comments down below. Those are the tests complete then. Hopefully that gives you a really good idea of what these sound like, how they perform. Like I said, $89.99 in the UK. They come with a 49-hour battery life, charged by USB-C as well, which is, you know, on this channel we love USB-C. These ear cups are really comfortable. They've got like a real nice memory foam. They don't spring back too fast. They're very comfortable. Like I've mentioned before, you've got that titanium diaphragm inside on the driver to help with the crystal clear audio. The headband's good. They rotate just one way, so you can put them flat down on the desk. That's what I like. I don't want to put them on the sides. I want to put them flat down if I do put them down. Good bit of cushioning on the headband. Very comfortable. The headband is plastic. It's not metal, so I wouldn't be bending these around too much, but they are sort of pretty flexible. They look like they're going to be very robust, at least, to throw about in your bag and stuff. They don't fold up, but there's a lot of features to this that I'm really impressed with, especially that noise cancellation for the price. You don't get that in many headphones around, and for like I said, for the price, that's impressive. They come in white as well, but I do like these black. I'm a big fan of matte black everything. There is no branding on the top, which I kind of like. You've only got this little logo on the side there. It's not too obvious what these are. It's quite subtle. It's not sort of in your face like the Beats ones are on the side. I don't really like Beats. In the box you do get a charging cable, which looks like a pretty decent one. I did miss this. It was sort of hiding at the back of the box, so don't forget it's in there. USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and it's quite long as well, so you can have these plugged in and use them whilst they're charging, which is good. Looks like a meter, so that's cool. But it doesn't come with a case. Yeah, there's no way to plug these in with auxiliary. They are just wireless only. Like I said, they've got a speaker on the side there for the audio, the ambient noise speakers, USB-C, hold the Bluetooth button there, plus and minus, and then the different modes on and off there as well. So they're simple, but for the price, to have ANC, to have that good audio, to be very comfortable and lightweight, to have that ambient mode as well is a really good one for busy streets and walking around city. These are a compelling option when it comes to headphones at the moment in the market. I am going to be getting more headphones on the way to test and compare, so if you're new here, please don't be a stranger, press a bell, subscribe, appreciate it. But that's it for this video. Impressed. Edifier W82ONB noise cancelling headphones, very good for the price. If you want to grab a pair, link in the description is an affiliate link. Apart from that, this is totally honest review. These are brilliant headphones. Thanks for watching, but until next time though guys, take it easy. See you in the next one. Bye.